Hello there. Want to boost your career with data analysis, but don't really know where to start? Imagine mastering Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI for free. Sounds so good to be true? Well, it's happening. Emmanuel Faith's Journey is sponsoring a free data analysis training to help you develop valuable skill in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI, two of the most in-demand tools in today's job market. Mode of training is online, on Zoom. Duration 8 to 10 weeks. You get your hands on learning and practical application. No prior experience, no problem. Training is designed for beginners and professionals looking to sharpen their skills. You will learn how to analyze and visualize data, practical applications for business and career growth, real-world projects to build your portfolio. Please note, spots are limited. Register now to secure your place. For more details, please contact. Don't miss this life-changing opportunity to gain high-income skill for free. Hit the link now.